Right, so before we deal with this or create this insert record function, we must first allow our web app to access our backend. So where we want to kind of store our data, our Firebase database. So this line here, the core Firebase software development kit, is always required and must be listed first in your before you access even your external JavaScript page. So what we do is we set up a script tag here, start and end, and in the start of the script tag we put in some attributes here. The only attribute we put in is the source attribute, and we want to point to the address of where we want to connect. So HTTPS secure hypertext transfer protocol and two forward slashes www.gstatic.com Firebase JavaScript JS, short for that, and whatever version you want to use. You can use 7.0.0, 8.10.1 I've got here. There's numerous different versions you can use. It doesn't seem to make any difference. Firebase.javascript, and that's that line there. So just blow that up to give you a full idea of it here. So we've got the script tag, we've got the source attribute, so there's the name of the attribute, and here's the value. So this link address here, so it's secure hypertext transfer protocol, www.gstatic.com /Firebase JS, so Firebase JavaScript /8.10.1 /Firebase.js. Again, I think the version here, that could be 7.0.0. That doesn't seem to matter too much. And the last bit we want to do here is point to our external JavaScript page. Again, we use the script tag, and in here we're just going to use source equals, and the page we're going to connect to is script.js. So we can have whatever name we want on that, and we may do that. We may at the moment script.javascript. So if we rename that, so script can often be the main script JavaScript page that you have, or external page that you have. I'm just going to put in for feedback here a contact us.javascript page there. And of course, by doing that, I need to now go back into my login and change that to contact us. And that's absolutely fine. So join us in the next page where we're going to set up our configurations, and then, oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. Let's see, the wrong page I should be in. I need to be in the contact us page. So down here, I go to that fella, connection to it twice, and put in contact us here. But join us in the next video where we're going to put in the configurations for connecting to our particular project in Firebase, and also creating this function insert record to do the magic for us.